All right, this chicken's over here. If you guys have never seen chicken coop, it's all chickens. We have about 20 of them. Actually, we have 20 of them. Chickens are a little fickle kind of thing. This is our tractor. Need to get it started. I'm going to go out and do some snow blowing. All right, I'm hoping you can hear me. If not, you're going to be hearing the tractor. But I need to plow a snow blow a path. Okay, so I've got the snow blower out here. I need to plow a path so I can have some place to dump a entire full wheelbarrow, which we have a double-wheeled wheelbarrow. It's pretty big. In our compost pile. And I just don't have any way to get back there right now because of all the snow. And I got a trailer sitting in front of the path that I normally take that I was going to do some grinding on and some welding on last fall, but things got really busy because we were trying to finish up the front wall and the back wall with the stone. So here we go. So, as you can see, snowblower does a pretty good job on grass. If you have dogs or, outdoor pets, or, we have our dogs that go out. So I usually snowblow them a pretty big path in our backyard. And as you can see, it's a little cold out here. I'm getting some ice in my beard. So now I just got to go get this wheelbarrow pushed around here, which I can't film that. Sorry guys, it's probably pretty hysterical seeing me trying to push that through the snow.